Today marks 1 year since the Supreme Court upended nearly 50 years of precedent and eliminated the federal constitutional right to abortion. In a CBS News poll, a majority of Americans surveyed said the overturn of Roe v. Wade was mostly bad for the country. On the eve of the anniversary of the landmark ruling, President Biden rallied abortion rights advocates as he denounced abortion bans, while Republican presidential hopefuls called for a national ban on abortions after 15 weeks. Christina Ruffini is at the White House. Christina, good morning.
Good morning, Dana. This has already been a key campaign issue. We saw it in the midterms, and President Biden's campaign is well aware it will be crucial in getting Democratic voters to turn out to the polls this fall.
And we will not let most personal decisions fall in the hands of politicians instead of women or their doctors.
1 year after the overturn of Roe v. Wade, President Biden told a room full of abortion rights supporters the fight isn't over.
We'd fight to restore these protections of Roe v. Wade and make it the law of the land once again, and we're going to do that.
Earlier in the day, he signed an executive order aimed at strengthening access to contraception. But without the federal protections of Roe or congressional action, the protective power of the president is limited.
It is also clear that extremists in Congress plan to ban abortion nationwide.
According to a new CBS News poll, half of Americans say abortion access after Roe has been more restrictive than they expected. Of those who say the change was bad for the country, 86% think it puts women's lives at risk. Among those who think the change was good, 86% say it's because the lives of the unborn are being protected.
The Dobbs decision is in the Supreme Court Hall of Shame.
On the Hill, Democrats decried the decision, including California Congresswoman Barbara Lee, who's spoken openly about obtaining a then illegal abortion at age 16.
I was once pregnant and forced to risk my life and to be criminalized because politicians thought they could make decisions about my body. I know what life was before Roe.
But on the trail, potential GOP presidential candidates celebrate the change in the law.
Every life, I was taught, is a precious gift from God.
And mark the year by making their positions clear.
And we must not rest and must not relent until we restore the sanctity of life to the center of American law in every state in this country.
At that same rally, President Biden received endorsements from the nation's 3 largest pro-abortion rights groups. And later today, Vice President Harris will travel to North Carolina, where she's going to make remarks calling for national legislation to protect abortion rights. Adriana?
Christina, thank you.